Diamonds on my record. Since 16, I was coming down right lenses. How you gonna make me peace? You was just a hot mess. You can call Tyrone, you ain't got some lie.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Your girl has braids in today. This is a first and we'll talk about that in a second, but let's get into this unit. OMG Her Hair sent over this braided wig. It's like a bohemian knotless situation, lace all throughout the wig, all throughout the perimeter, so it looks like you actually sat and got your hair braided for hours. You got parts all throughout this wig, okay? It's not giving wiggy at all. You could put it up in a ponytail, you could do half up, half down, you could do all the things. So I started off by cutting the back of the wig because obviously I don't need that. So I just cut that off and then I put the wig on. Easy peasy. Let me tell you guys, I've never done a braided wig. In all the years of braided wigs existing, I was too scared, but I decided to go for it. I trusted OMG Her Hair to execute this unit, and honestly, I was not disappointed at all. My only concern was like, okay, the hair is braided, so like, what if I need to tweak my hairline? Like, how do I go about that? I just had to go in and I did just that. So as you can see, that one braid, like the hairline looks really natural, but it just was too low for my forehead. So I just went ahead and cut it. So you may put this on and it may be perfect if you got a little bit more forehead space. But for me, I just needed to cut that. Wasn't a big deal. I literally was staring at this wig for hours trying to figure out like, what am I going to do? Because I can't braid. So I couldn't undo it and rebraid. You see what I'm saying? But it was an easy fix. So if you come across this problem like me, it is an easy fix. Just cut through the braid. So funny story, a lot of people assume I don't like braids because they've never seen me in braids, and that's not true at all. I love braids. I love how they look. I love the convenience, of them. However, I literally wore braids the first half of my life. I'm not joking. From 1 to the middle of high school, I wore braids faithfully. Like, there was no hairstyle in between that. I did not get to experience any other hairstyles. So as an adult, I always told myself, I'm going to do all the hairstyles that I could not do. That's why we're here. That's why I have this channel. That's why I know how to do my hair, because it was just ridiculous. My mama didn't know how to comb hair, so all she knew how to do was book my braid appointment, and that's what we did. And also, I'm very tender-headed. I tell you guys this all the time. I don't even braid my hair for my installs because I am that tender-headed. And also, braids take too long. I don't like to sit for that long. So there's just a lot of cons to the braids, but there's also a lot of pros, you know, whatever. But I'm really happy that I tried this wig because I'm like, wow, you look stunning in braids. I am now not scared to try another braided wig because it looks good. Like, you know, braided wigs have a stigma to them, you know? The little Tyler Perry moment, not this one. This one gives not an install. This gives you sat and got your hair braided. Like, I am like, wow, I might take this on my next vacation because it did just that. Because I was also contemplating getting my hair braided previously, and I'm like, I just can't do it. I can't do it to myself. I can't, like, I literally have PTSD from braids. Like, I just can't. But this was definitely the solution. So if you have had any of those issues growing up or as a Black girly with the braids, this is going to be your solution. I promise you, do not be scared of it. I have been scared of braided wigs for years. I've been telling companies no to the braided wigs for years, but I decided to trust OMG Her Hair because their wigs are always like great quality. The hairlines are always top notch. So I just knew that this wig was going to eat. So like I said, I haven't worn braids in years, right? I never experienced the whole boho knotless situation. I had the regular braids, okay? However, I know a lot of people complain about boho braids shedding a lot. There was absolutely no shedding with this wig. You guys saw me putting mousse on it. I ran my fingers through it. I did not have one strand of hair coming out of this, which I was very shocked because I know that's like a huge issue that a lot of people have when getting this style. So I just want to put that out there. There's also no shedding, but I did try a few different hairstyles. I did the half up, half down, flip it to the side. My favorite was honestly it just down in my face. I just really like that, or like to the side. But yeah, there's just so many ways you could wear this. If you want, you could do it up in a bun, baby. I'm not doing that. But this pretty much completes the video, you guys. Please, if you guys have been contemplating a braided wig, check OMG Her Hair out, okay? They will not disappoint. All the information will be in the description box. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.